All right, got the week 25 to-do list here. So first thing, Monday, Tuesday, watching a video about magnets, and then we're going to take practice quiz in class. We'll go over the key together, and then you have to complete the magnetism quiz by the end of the day. Wednesday, we're going to switch to electricity. So you're going to open this document. That's online. In it, it has 2 embedded videos, 1, 2. Watch both of those and then read over how electricity gets to your house. That's kind of the first step here. Give me 2 seconds. And then you're going to take just a little electricity pre-test. It's literally 3 questions or 2 questions. Okay, and it's based on completion. I just want to see after you do that what you can say about electricity. Thursday, Friday, super simple. Watching Bill Nye Electricity. And then you're going to take the electricity quiz based on factors from Bill Nye. So as you're rolling through, I would suggest taking notes. You can go into the quiz cold if you'd like, but maybe not the best way to do it. Anyway, love you guys. Appreciate you. Talk to you later.